Hello guys, welcome to SimTech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. So guys, Meta has added a new feature on their WhatsApp app and you can tag everyone at once in a WhatsApp group. So if you are in a WhatsApp group and there is a lot of members, you want to tag them all, maybe you want to send an announcement or anything and you want to tag them all, then this feature has been enabled for you guys. Okay, so without wasting my time, let me go to my WhatsApp and show you guys how to do this. Okay, so first I'll open my WhatsApp, and okay, so let me use one of my groups as an example. Okay, so I'm using this Make Money group as an example. Okay, so at first, if you want to tag people, you just need to click on this @ symbol and you'll be tagging the people one by one. You'll be tagging the people one by one till you are done tagging everyone. Okay, but now this feature has been enabled for us and we can tag all of our members. You can see I have like 200 members over here, so if I want to tag everyone, meaning I have to do it one by one. But now WhatsApp has enabled this feature and I can tag all these 200 members at once. Okay, so now if I want to tag all these 200 members, what I have to do is just to click on this @ symbol. So I'll click on this @ symbol and you see all over here. Okay, so I'll just click on this all, or I can just type all. You can see all. Okay, so with this all, you can mention all your members in the chat and they will get notified that you've tagged them on a certain post. Okay, so I'll just click on all and I'll just send, or I can just type hello everyone, and automatically when I send this, everyone will be tagged and get notified at the same time without wasting my time to be tagging all these 200 members at the same time. Okay, so let me send this. Okay, and you can see I have sent this text, the at all tag. Yeah, I've sent it and everyone will be notified that they've gotten a tag. You can see people are texting. Yeah, this is how it works. Okay, so that's how this tag works. You don't need to like text or tag people one by one. You don't need to tag them one by one. You just need to click on this at all and everyone will just get notified and you can just be doing whatever. Maybe you want to send an announcement, you want to like do anything you want to do, like you just tag and it's simple. Okay, so if this video helped you to tag everyone at once, please like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Yeah, giveaway loading.